The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, Army Aviation and Artillery of the Western Military District have neutralized the units from the 14th and the 92nd Mechanized Brigades of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Nevelskoye of Lugansk People's Republic and Ivanovka of Kharkov region. Over 30 Ukrainian personnel, 1 armored fighting vehicle, 2 motor vehicles and 2 Akatsiya self-propelled howitzers have been eliminated. In the Krasnogorovka direction, the strikes launched by aviation and artillery of the Central Military District have resulted in the neutralization of the units from the 95th Airborne Assault Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Serebryanka of Donetsk People's Republic and the 24th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Nevelskoye of Lugansk People's Republic. 1 Ukrainian ordnance depot has been destroyed near Nevelskoye of Lugansk People's Republic. The enemy has lost over 60 Ukrainian personnel, 1 armored personnel carrier, 3 pickups and 1 D-20 howitzer. In the Donetsk direction, units of the Southern Military District continued their successful offensive operations and neutralized the enemy near Galitsynovka, Krasnogorovka and Nevelskoye of Donetsk People's Republic. Up to 80 Ukrainian personnel, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 4 motor vehicles, 3 French-manufactured Caesar self-propelled artillery systems, 1 US-manufactured M-777 artillery system, 1 Gvozdika self-propelled artillery system, and 2 Akatsiya self-propelled artillery systems have been eliminated. 1 Ukrainian ordnance depot and 1 US-manufactured AN-TPQ-50 counter-battery warfare radar have been destroyed near Karlovka and Kurachovka of Donetsk People's Republic, respectively. In the South Donetsk direction, the offensive operations of the units from the Eastern Military District have resulted in taking more advantageous lines, as well as elimination of over 30 Ukrainian personnel, 2 armored fighting vehicles and 3 pickups. Operational tactical aviation, missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have neutralized 67 artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 98 areas. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces have shot down 1 Su-25 airplane of the Ukrainian Air Force near Poltavka of Donetsk People's Republic. Air defense facilities have destroyed 5 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Zhitlovka, Chervonopopovka and Kremenaya of Lugansk People's Republic. In total, 374 airplanes and 200 helicopters, 2,903 unmanned aerial vehicles, 401 air defense missile systems, 7,569 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 985 fighting vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,865 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,113 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Слава Україні! Розпочалася 319-та доба російського.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!